Today we are going to review this Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi top second model. Let's start from the engine bay. Check out, walk around. Yeah. Yeah, this is the engine bay. Yeah, this is the engine bay. Check out, this is the 4-cylinder engine. This is the battery. This is the air filter. Yeah, it's a new car, so everything is neat. Yeah, and this is the insulation right over. Only high rev you get some noise. At lower revs, fine, it's good. Proper insulation is there. Yeah, done. So let's close the engine bay now. Yeah, let's close it. It gets a stand, not hydraulic studs. See, it gets a stand, not hydraulic studs. It gets a stand, not hydraulic studs. Yeah, done. See, now this is how the bonnet looks, and this is the lights looks, and this is the light, this is the halogen bulb, and this is the normal halogen yellow lights, and this is the halogen bulb. Everything is halogen here, and this is the indicator, and this is the wiper and washer. Yeah, this is the 15-inch alloy wheel. You get a 15-inch alloy wheel that is not diamond cut. I will show you a proper image here. Yeah, these are the 15-inch alloy wheel without diamond cut, because this is the ZXi model, and this is the front disc and caliper. Yeah, and you get so much of space after tire. And here you get a drum brake. This is rear washer, wiper, defogger. Yeah, now this is keyless entry over here. No one has showed this feature. I am showing it. This is the keyless entry, and this is the shockers, and this is the boot space. It has so much of boot space, fine for this segment of car. And this is the #1 selling car, and this is the aftermarket back camera, and this is the LED lights with halogen indicator, and this is the rear spoiler aftermarket. No, this is an accessory part. And this is the antenna, not shark fin. Yeah, now here you get a ORVM with indicator, which looks very good. So now let's go into the interior and check how interior is. See, interior is very good. It gives you a premium feel. Yeah, good. Here you get a window opener and lock, unlock. Here you get a 5-speed manual gearbox, 5-speed. And here is a charging 12-volt charger and aux and USB. This is the auto AC. Here is auto button, and you press it will automatically set temperature and fan speed. And this is the aftermarket stereo, 9-inch. It's good. This is the AC, this is the glove box. One thing is missing here, that is the armrest. No, that armrest is missing. If armrest was there, no, it was next level. And you get the manual dim IRVM and lights. Come on, let's move. And this is the instrumental cluster. See, it is like this. Yeah, good, decent. Yeah, this is the flat bottom steering wheel. You get mountain button controls, select, mute, Bluetooth to attend your call, to cut your call, Bluetooth. And here is your stop button and your headlight adjuster. And here is your wiper control. Here is your lights and indicator control. Yeah, here is it. Here is your wiper. Yeah, you can adjust your steering up and down, not telescoping, just up and down. Yeah, with one ticket holder, no mirror, no lights, but useful. See, like this. Yeah, here only one mirror, no light. So come on, let's move back to back seats. Vlog vlog. Yeah, this is the vlog about Maruti Suzuki Swift. Let's go to the back space, and how many people can sit there comfortably. Yeah, now see here, I'm an adult 5.6, 5.8. I'm an adult 5.6, 5.8. An adult 5.6, 5.8 can sit comfortably. This seat is all the way back, so fine, comfortable. Adult is comfortable. Now let's talk about kids. How many people can sit here? See, comfortably 2 people with 1 kid, or you can do it like this: 2 adults, 1 kid in the center. Yeah, that will be very comfortable. See, this kid in the center, he is very comfortable. Yes, he is very comfortable. Sit comfortably, kid. See, this kid is very comfortable, and you get a adjuster headrest. Only two headrests you get, and here 1 kid is fine, but even here 1 armrest is missing. And here you get a cup holder, and that's it for today. So let's end the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe. Please support us.